Imagine a door system that you could use all year round. A door system that completely changed how patio doors are used. A door system that utilized all the available living and patio space. A door system with the cleanest sightlines available. Stop imagining. It's here. This is the revolutionary panoramic patio door system. It's different in many ways, but let us show you just a few of the features. The sight lines on this door are seamless. There are no hinges showing, no chute bolt handles, and no face fix guides. The only visible hardware you will see is the stylish contemporary door handle on the master door. Patio doors are occupying ever greater spaces in people's homes, and we believe it's vital that you're comfortable with the look of your doors. The master door is your everyday traffic door and is held open at 90 degrees to prevent it from moving in the breeze. The panels then slide to the side and pivot to the open position. The first sliding panel has a concealed latch which connects it to the master door and prevents the first panel from clashing with the door handle. When operating a bifold door, these areas have to be kept clear to allow the doors to open into the patio space. It's also necessary, however, to keep the internal side clear in order to operate the chute bolt handles and D-pull handles we showed earlier. The opening and closing cycle of a panoramic door means that the panels never encroach in either the living space or the patio space until they reach the normal rested position. All of this space can be utilized. You can have a sofa or a table next to the doors, even your TV, and the doors still operate normally, maximizing the usable living space. It's not often that we get the opportunity to completely open our doors, but we do like to have fresh air and ventilation. This is the only fully opening door system that allows you to leave the panels anywhere in the opening you choose. The safe, ventilated position is one of the most popular settings for our door. You get as much or as little ventilation as you choose, unlike a bifold, where the concertina part of the door is either open or closed. Imagine you were using this part of the room, maybe enjoying a cup of tea or a glass of wine, and the weather changes. The wind picks up, or perhaps it's getting late in the evening and cooling down, or the kids are running in and out of this area. Panoramic doors allow you to move entire sections like a partition to get cover in the area of the room you are using, or to change the access point of the doors. You choose exactly where you want the opening and how much opening you want to use. It's simple. Panoramic doors are some of the most secure available. With bifold doors, you get a chute bolt that locks at the top and the bottom of the door, with nothing much in between. But with panoramic doors, you get a patented male-to-female aluminium locked engagement along the entire length of the door. Couple this with the substantial M8 pivot bolts on the opposite side of each panel, and you effectively have perimeter locking around each panel. The panoramic door system has just achieved the stringent test criteria of PAS 24, making it the only slide and swing patio door to achieve this standard. Furthermore, panoramic doors feature 6-point locking on your master door and also offer cylinder upgrades to the kite-marked Brissant Ultion 3-star Master Locksmiths Association approved Euro Profile lock, making the door virtually impregnable. The features of this door system don't stop there. Panoramic doors feature energy-efficient E-core technology. E-core is a reinforced PVC core which separates the cold outer skin of the door from the warm internal surface. This makes the system incredibly thermally efficient. With U values of 1.6, the doors fully comply with the required Part L of the building regulations, building code. Because the strong aluminium sections are bonded to the central core, it means that Panoramic is available in a huge variety of different colors inside and out. Foil finishes to match existing windows and doors, even in beautiful solid timber internal finishes. Traditional patio systems utilize sills, which can make a step between the inside and outside of your home. At Panoramic, we have developed an integral sill, which combines with the bottom track to lower the section, allowing a seamless joint with your internal floor level. With a bifold, you might get to use the doors a few times a year, but with the functionality of a panoramic door, it becomes a 52-week-a-year patio door. We will survey, manufacture, and install your door system, a complete service from start to finish. Call us now to find out how these beautiful doors can change the way you think about patio doors.